Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Code and Clarity. If you are targeting placements in 2025, you are in the right place. I know the pressure is real, coding, projects, aptitude, development, it feels like a never-ending list, right? But today I am going to simplify this for you. I'll give you a step-by-step roadmap where we balance DSA, development, aptitude and projects. So by the time placements come, you are ready to crack them. Now, let's be honest. Most students fail not because they are not smart, but because they don't know what to prepare and when to prepare. Some only grind lead code, some only make projects, and others just rely on aptitude. But companies in 2025 want all-rounders. They want coders who can solve problems, developers who can build apps, and graduates who can clear aptitude filters. That's why you need a balanced roadmap. Let's start with DSA, data structure and algorithms. Think of this as the entry ticket to top companies. Why? Because for product-based companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Flipkart, your DSA skill is what gets you shortlisted. What to cover in it? Start with the basics like arrays and strings, then move into recursions, linked lists, stacks and queues. Once you are confident, target advanced topics like trees, graphs and dynamic programming. Next is how to practice. Platforms like LitCode are gold because they are interview focused. Gigs for Gigs is amazing for learning concepts and then applying them. Codeforces or CodeShep helps you get faster and improve logic. Your target will be to solve at least 200 to 300 quality problems before your placement season. Don't just memorize, focus on the problem solving pattern. Now let's move to development. Why is this important? Because at the end of the day, companies want people who can build things that work in real life. Now, so what to learn in development? If you love web, then learn React, Node.js, MongoDB and REST APIs. If you are into apps, then learn Flutter or React Native. And if you are backend focused, explore Spring Boot or Django. Now what the companies expect? You should be comfortable with Git or GitHub. You should understand debugging APIs, databases. Now so let's talk about projects. Make at least 2 to 3 strong projects. Quality beats quantity. For example, instead of making a to-do app like everyone else, build something real like a real-time chat app or a blogging website with authentication. Remember, when an interviewer sees projects on your resume, they immediately know you can code beyond theory. Now, let's talk about the underrated hero, that is aptitude. For service-based companies, aptitude is the first filter. If you don't clear this, you won't even reach the coding or the HR rounds. Now, what topics you need to cover for this? You need to cover quantitative aptitude like profit and loss, time and distance, speed and time and work, then speed and distance, then calendar, clock, etc. There are many other topics. Logical reasoning like sitting arrangements, puzzle, series, permutation. There are many topics in this too. And the verbal ability, that is reading comprehension, grammar, synonyms or antonyms. Practice just 30 minutes daily is enough. Use the platforms like IndiaBix, Prepensta or company specific mock tests. Now actually consistency is the main key here. Next is projects. Probably the most ignored yet the most impactful section of your resume. Now why are projects important? Because they are the proof that you can take coding knowledge and apply it in the real world. Now, so how many projects you need to keep in your resume? At least one major project, that is end-to-end deployed app, and 2 to 3 minor projects that show the variety. For example, you can make an expense tracker with login and graphs, blogging platform with user authentication, real-time chat app with Socket.io, or if you are into AI or ML, a spam email classifier. When the interviewer asks, "Tell me about your project," you should have a strong answer that makes you memorable. Now, the biggest question, how do you balance all this? If you want to take my suggestion, practice 2 hours daily DSA. Keep 2 hours for DSA. Then also keep 1 hour daily for development. And also keep 30 minutes daily for aptitude. And dedicate your weekends to build and polish the projects. This way you are not overwhelming yourself, but slowly you are building skill in all the 4 areas. By the time placements arrive, you will be sharp in DSA, have 2 to 3 projects ready, and be confident in aptitude and be a complete candidate. So here's the summary, that is the final tips. DSA gets you through coding rounds. Development proves your real world coding ability. Aptitude clears the first filters in service based companies, and projects make your resume stand out. So start today, not tomorrow. Even if you give 3 to 4 hours consistently every day, you will be in the top 5% by the placement season. So this is an entire overview. Now if you want me to make videos on any subtopic or make a series like aptitude series or DSA series or development related topic series, complete project development, then please let me know in the comment section. I'll bring separate videos for you. That's it for today's video. If this roadmap gave you clarity, drop a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more placement tips.